Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to Yogami. I'm Anindita, your trainer for today's yoga session. Let's start by warming up our body before we get into today's Vinyasa flows. Come to the top of your mat, raise your hands up, placing the palms in Namaste, bend towards the right side. Make sure your elbows are completely straight. Keep stretching the hands. Look front. Come back to the center. Bend towards the left side. Elbows straight. Back to the center. Take a gentle back bend. Look up. Try to keep the elbows straight. And slowly come back. Release the palms down. From here, press your left tricep to the chest. Look towards your left side. Change the side. Press the right tricep to the chest, looking towards the right side. Release the hands. Place the palms on the shoulders, elbow rotations, making big circles with the elbows, trying to touch them as they come forward. Change the direction. Big circles with both the elbows touching each other, getting a stretch in the shoulder. Release the hands down. Place the palms on the waist, going for hip rotations, anti-clockwise and clockwise. Try to keep the upper body still as much as possible. Going all the way to the side, front, back, side, front. Change the direction. Big circles, upper body still, and release. Now lift the right knee and press it against the chest. Release it down. Press the left knee to the chest and down. And relax. Starting with neck rotations, going clockwise, all the way back, side, down, side, nicely rotating that neck, warming it up. Change the direction, anti-clockwise, stretching every part of the neck. Slowly back to the center. Open your eyes. Place the right palm on the left knee. Twist towards your left side. Look back. Back is completely straight. Change the direction. Place the left palm on the right knee. Twist towards the right side. Come back to the center. Place the left forearm on the side, take the right arm over your ears going towards the left side. Stretch. Change the side. Place the right forearm down, taking the left hand over the ears, stretching towards the right side. And slowly come back, extending the hands, going for wrist rotations. Elbows are straight. Just rotate the wrists, extending the hands forward. Change the direction. Warming up those wrists. And release. From there, press the right palm, fingers facing up and then down, and then press the back side of the palm. Change the hand, press the fingers facing up, down, and the back side of the palm, and release. Bend your right knee and take the left foot back, extending the left leg, sitting in pigeon or KAPOTASANA. If you're comfortable, place your forearms down. If this is also comfortable, take your hands forward and lie down completely. Placing the head down on the mat. Stay here for a few breaths, warming up the hip. Slowly walk your hands back. Come back to sitting. Taking the right leg back, bringing the left knee forward. Bend the knee. Right leg is extended back. Place the forearms down. If you're comfortable, extend the hands forward and lie down completely. This is a great warm-up for all the hip opening asanas. Slowly walk back. Take the left leg back. Take the right foot forward. Extend the right leg to make the knee straight. Going for Urdhva asana. Placing the palms down by the sides of the leg and stretching. Make sure your back is not rounded. Keep looking forward. Take the right knee back. Extend the left leg this time. Flex the left foot. Palms in cup shape on the mat, trying to lengthen the spine, extending it. And take the knee back. Place the forearms down for forearm cow and cat. Exhale, round the back, look towards the navel. Inhale, look front. Exhale, round the back. Look towards the navel. Inhale, look front, arch the back. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. exhale, round. Do it a few more times. Now come in all fours position. Extend the left leg back, right hand to the front. Exhale, bring the elbow to the knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, exhale. Place the knee back, place the palm back. The other side. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Keep going. And exhale. Place the palm back, place the leg back and sit. Come into your all fours position for cat and cow stretch. Elbows straight. The next inhale, arch your back, look forward. Exhale, round the back, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round, elbows are straight. Inhale, arch, look front. Exhale, rounding the back. Inhale, arch the back a few more times. Round. Inhale, look front, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, look front, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, look front, arch. Exhale, round. Come back to the neutral position. From there, take the right hand and slide it under the left, placing the right shoulder down on the mat, right cheek down on the mat. Stretch the right hand. Slowly come back. Slide the left hand under the right, placing the left shoulder down, left cheek down. Stretching the left hand. Slowly come back. Place the palm back down. Place the forearms down and start walking forward with your hands, trying to touch the chest down for puppy dog position. Placing your head down, stretching the chest down on the mat, getting a stretch in the back. Staying here for a few breaths. And slowly start walking backwards and come back. Let's end the practice with the closing mantra. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amrit Shatam Gamaya Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. I will see you again for the next session on Yogami.